Hello everyone, I am Piyul and you're watching the Piyulverse. And in this video, I will be telling you all the subjects that you will be studying if you pursue Aerospace/Aeronautical Engineering in your 4 years journey. Now, whatever the subjects I will be telling you is from what I have studied, and my batch was from 2022 to 2026. I've just passed out in May 2026. So even if the subject's name changed, but the whole curriculum, the whole subject's criteria will remain the same for you also. So the subject's name, the like in which semester which subject will be coming, it might differ from college to college. Now the curriculum I will be sharing you is a very defined and a very common curriculum that I have heard over the years. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So in your first year, you have 2 semesters. First is first sem and second semester. Basically, the first semester is nothing related to aerospace. It is like mostly the common engineering subjects that you study. So in my first semester, I had 6 subjects. First was applied physics. Second was engineering mathematics 1, environmental studies, applied physics, then research skills, and Introduction to Programming Language. So these were the 6 subjects that I had. And in these subjects, if I just have to give you an overview, the first subject, that was engineering mathematics, is basically normal maths like matrices and determinants, eigenvalues and all these things, like very basic thing. Okay, like when you come from 12th to directly in engineering field, you're not given a full platter and you're not able to eat it. They just will give you its and bits of however the studies will be. So yes, in engineering mathematics, very basic chapters will be there, and it is very easy. It is not that hard. Coming to second, that is applied physics. In this there are very like novel formulas, forces, moment generated, and very basic formulas. Then when it comes to research skills, now research skill is something that will be used by you throughout your college, but specifically in your 4th year. Now in first semester, I did not have anyone to tell me that you need to put effort into the subject and understand what exactly research skills and everything means, but you have me, so I am going to tell you that in research skills, basically what happens is you take out a topic whichever you like, and you can choose it from Google. Suppose if you like missiles, so you can search like what all the topics that have been researched in terms of missiles. There will be many topics and many gaps in between that have not been researched yet, so you can do that and you can start it from your first semester as well. You can understand that from your first semester. Then comes EVS, that is environmental studies. That was just a basic subject. I know you do not need much information about that. Yes, and then what I said, that was IPL, that is Introduction to Programming Language. We had C and Python. Yes, we had Python or C, I guess, something. And it was just very basic, like just writing hello world from the code part. Yeah, that is the only thing we had. So yes, first semester is very chill. It's very chill, and you will just get an its and bits of whatever is happening. Whatever the subjects are there, you will be coming forward. Now, as I said in my many videos, that in your first year you won't get things so that you can go and build rockets and how are rockets made. This is not what you are going to study. So yes, the first semester in the first year is all about this. Now moving on to first year, second semester. The first subject in our second sem was aerospace material and production technology. So yes, as the course's name suggests, that it was basically how are different aerospace materials such as aluminium, steel, metal, composites, all of these materials are used in various parts of aircraft and basically the aviation industry, and how are these produced and the technology that we used. Okay, so this is what the first subject was. Second subject was engineering mathematics 2. Engineering mathematics 2, you will get just a one level up of what you had in engineering mathematics 1. Calculus mathematics will come into picture in this semester, and yes, here you need to put a little bit of effort in mathematics if you're not too good in that. But yes, mathematics was my favorite subject, so I love the mathematics that we had. The third subject was introduction to Python language. So in first semester we had we had C programming language, and in second semester we had Python language. In Python language also, we only had very basic GUI Python languages, and just to getting know of each other. It was just the basic. It was very basic. I personally do not like coding, so I was the most disinterested person in this subject. I just passed out somehow. That's it. The fourth subject was workshop laboratory. Now this is a subject where it's kind of interesting also, but it's like very common in terms of every college, like every college, you will have those. You have to go to a workshop, and then they will give you this steel, this what do we say, this metal thing, very block kind of. Then you need to drill on that, you need to bits on that. You will be having lathing machine, and like basically the machinery part in that. Okay, so we used to question till second sem also. We used to question that where is the aerospace part. So yeah, you might relate to me if you have already passed your first year. The fifth subject was engineering mechanics. Now in this, there comes the physics part, and for me, somewhere it was hard for me because my like my forte was in maths, and like propulsion part, it was not in physics, like understand, not core physics part. Somehow I don't know why. So for me it was a bit like what do we say, it was a bit hard to understand. And so yes, that was my second semester subjects. I think I'm not missing out on anything. Yes, we also had technical English, like basically just every semester you have this additional subject, and you just need to pass in that, like very basic subject. I hope you got a glimpse of what all the subjects that you will need to study in your first year, and when these subjects are placed into your curriculum might change according to the college, as I mentioned previously, but the overall curriculum remains the same. So yes, that was it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any more doubts, you can comment down below. I'm always ready to answer your questions. So we have come to the end of this video. To know what about the second year subjects, third year and fourth year, you can refer my next videos that are coming up soon. So yes, till then, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.